Hey guys, I'm back with another slime video, and you guys are gonna be seeing the final results of the slime that I made. So just get the camera ready, and you'll see the color that I'm gonna be making this, or it will stay the same. And yeah, somebody did comment. Show you the comment, and then this is the slime. Whoa, ew. See how it melts?
Look, if you turn around, you got sand in the background.
Okay, if you put some lotion on this actually does help. Ew. But like that much would be good. Just mix it in, and then it actually doesn't even melt on your hands. So, which is really good and useful, but you'll have to keep adding more in and adding more in. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna kneel down right here. I like it. I had some sand and some silver sparkles. Okay, now let me show you. I'm trying to shut the case up. There. This is the slime. Ooh, I love it so much. I mean, I just can't even. See, like this one even melted too. So let's just put some lotion. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough. Whoa. It gets like sticky, but then you have to like, it's just difficult. Okay, just wipe this up so you guys don't want this. Okay. There, my mom washed the table. I think you can add some activator, but you can see what somebody commented. Okay, let's go. You can look at the ground. Okay, this is what somebody commented. They said purple, and see, it's a girl. Hold on, it's like mom or teenager. Come on, focus. Who cares if it focuses or not? They said purple. They said purple, and then they're like, I meant hold on. I meant blue, and they spelled meant wrong. Let me just back up. They said I meant blue, and then they actually said, hold on, and then they said, right here, no, blue and green. So we will be making a mint slime. Hey, Cleo, you get the Christmas tree. This is my mom's gift. My mom thinks it's a guitar. I agree with her. So we're gonna be making the slime into mint. Okay, let me just open it. I want this to be like a Christmas, so like a Christmas themed slime. I only need like one drop. Come on, get out there. Okay, hold on. Now we need to add one drop of blue. Boop. I'm gonna dye my hands. My hands. Who cares? This is gonna be for you guys. Let me just mix this up real quick. Okay, this is it. Might not look that mint on camera, but it's mint. Just ignore the stuff in the background. Ooh. Ooh. So satisfying. Ugh. I just love doing this. Ah! Remember the little girl that gets like this to do ASMR? But then this is really how you have to do it. Oh look, oh my baby, my little doggy, my little Lulu. Oh yeah, let me turn off that. And cereal. Aww. Okay. Here guys, how about you guys poke it? Oh yes. Oh, you guys are really good at ASMRs. Okay, you guys, you can stop now. That was actually really good. Whoa. Wait, let me just flatten this out again. And go like this. Oh yeah, guys, this is actually satisfying. If you guys try this, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, that is satisfying. Ah! Aww. Aw, they're all laying down. So cute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start playing with the other slime. I think I'm gonna name this Mint Frost. And I am going to give it some mint, what do you call it? Mint scent. Ugh. This is not. I actually like this because it's like a crunchy slime. Oh, I love it. Comment down below if I should keep it this lavender color. I meant to say lavender scent because I did use that lavender scent. I don't really like it, the lavender. It doesn't really smell like lavender. So tell me if I should use some perfume. And if I should do a perfume for this slime in the container, use perfume, or I should just use some mint stuff, whatever it's called, I forget. Mint scent. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Woo. It's like it kind of has like a little bit of a rough texture, and at the same time it doesn't. I like it. Guys, comment down below for this slime if I should add silver glitter or blue glitter. I kind of want silver glitter or no glitter. I want silver glitter or no glitter because I kind of like it just like this. Plain slime. Ah. Can't even pick up the container. Ah. Okay, now guys, let's guess some gifts that I got. Ah! Oof. And then we'll go back to playing with slime. The tree, the beautiful, beautiful tree. Santa Claus and the naughty and nice. Whoa! Let's read it. naughty list. Mikey, Mike, Lucy, my kitty. Because she is kind of naughty. Lindsay, whatever those names say. Nice list. Me, I'm like Katie. My mom's name Cleo, my little puppy. What? Don't know that name? Nana, Caitlin, Dia. Okay. There you go, Santa. And jingles, jingles, jingles. Yeah, just give